Hi, this is Andrés from Varanormal, and today I want to give you a quick and short update about my ongoing research with electromechanical vibrators and the way I'm picking up that sound and I'm post-processing them. You know from my last video that I already made a lot of experiments with a device type I call the Whisper, which also incorporates an electromechanical vibrating relay, a self-oscillating relay. And I made a new design with 3 relays now, mutually controlling each other.
So this is a device. You can see it incorporates 3 oscillating relays. There's fishing line on every relay lever that is connected to this inner ring, and this ring is conveying the vibration from one relay to the other one, so that in total the net effect is that all relays are controlling each other. This is a purely electromechanical approach. There's nothing like electronics inside apart from some resistors, and you see the inside looks very neat and clean. There's not much in it. This is here the power supply with the lead acid battery and a lot of cabling here, but in fact that's it. And I have a main switch here, and I can switch on or off those relays individually. For example, this switch here is activating this relay, this switch is activating this relay, and the middle one, the last relay here on the back. Another thing is that every relay has a lever with a spring and screws, and it's possible to adjust those relays. That means the inclination of the relay, and it's also influencing the mechanical tension on the fishing line here. When I switch this on and I'm turning this screw, so you can see that the inclination changes, the angle changes, and also the sound changes. And with 2 relays you even have more screws to turn. You can see how it's moving.
It turns out that the sound of this device is very suitable for spirit voices to manifest because it is not steady. The sound has a lot of variations, and the amplitude is going up and down. It's very fragile, very agile, and all those fluctuations add up to some kind of let's say platform where spirits can hook in with a psychokinetic manifestation of their voices. So this is one thing, and I gained some fairly good results. Not breakthrough, not groundbreaking, but it's okay. I show you some examples. But I had a second idea in my mind how to improve these results a bit. One thing I did in the past was I was experimenting with a principle to improve, or let's say amplify those tiny little fluctuations which are the place where pk-modulation hides from the spirits. And I found out, what I found out quite often was by analyzing a recorded EVP signal, or a signal that contained noise and probably hiding some EVP manifestations, I sometimes was able to see in a signal where the EVP would likely be to occur. And this is due to some, let's say, minor changes in the amplitude fluctuations. You can see here in the maximum and minimum areas of the amplitude. So my idea was that very often the pk modulation is hiding in those tiny little fluctuations in the extreme values of the amplitude, in the maximum and in the minimum area. So that means if we could cut out this middle area here and just keeping those amplitude fluctuations on the maximum and the minimum side of the amplitudes, the pk modulation would be amplified.
Okay, now you can hear my voice rather distorted through this microphone. And okay, first I change the level here from the microphone.